Hi YouTube viewers. Today I am going to replace this terminal. It's very loose, as you can see. It's bent, and also there are some green deposits. And what's happening to me is sometimes I cannot start up my car because this is loose. So the solution is I'm gonna show you how to replace this this part. And first I went to O'Reilly and I bought this new part, which is going to be put over here. So I'm going to remove this nut, put this over, tighten it, voila, we're done. So this is a 2-minute job. Alright, now sometimes it's hard to remove the bolt from the terminal, so I sprayed W40. It's right here. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I use the pliers to hold it and then to turn. So now it's loose. Cut. Alright, so it's kind of loose. Now I can use my finger to remove the nuts. Okay. Cut. Now the nuts, the bolt is removed. Now I can remove the terminal. Cut. Alright, no more nuts, so I can pull down the old terminal. Okay, so I'm gonna insert this under, and then I'm gonna put this wing nut on top, right there. Easy. Okay, so now before we tighten the terminal to the battery, we need to clean up those buildups right here that formed. So we need to clean this up. Okay. Cut. Clean around the nodes of the battery. This is the positive node. Make sure it's very clean. I'm just using a brush. Alright, now it's ready. It's clean. We have the new terminal, brand new from O'Reilly. And now we're gonna push it in, and then we're gonna tie it up. We're gonna tighten the bolt. Okay, 1, 2. It's important to tighten this because as you drive the car, there's many vibrations, and vibration tends to loosen up this screw, this bolt. And once it's loosened, then there's a higher chance of disconnection. Alright, it's all tightened up. Alright, looks like we are ready to test. To recap, we used W40 to loosen the nuts and the bolts to remove the old terminal, clean it up, put in the new terminal. New terminal, you can buy that from O'Reilly or Kragen. This one came from O'Reilly, and we are ready to test. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Alright, set the engine. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Any comments, let me know. Thank you for watching.